Well, there you go. Right here off the bluegrass bug. I just tied it back on. I went with a 1/4 ounce jig head instead of 1/8 ounce just to see if it would throw. I just threw it out there to see if it would if it was gonna throw different. Reeling back in, wasn't even reeling for fish, just reeling it, just burning it back in. And this guy decided he wanted it. So ain't he nice? Nice little bass. Picture time. Fish your fingers. All right, fish. That was funny. Fun and funny all at the same time. Because trying to retie in the frickin' wind sucks. Let's get them back. Easy does it.